Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your child's REALME GT 2 Pro device. So first you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. To do it, open Settings, scroll down, then choose Accounts and Users. Then choose Account to delete from child's device, click on the Function button and remove account, OK. Confirm your Face ID or password. Cool. Now you need to add child's Google account on the child's device. But if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore you need to create an account for the child with the password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know, but only you will know. So click Add Account in the same menu, click Google, not Exchange, but Google only button, then enter child's email, then enter child's password, click Next, click I agree, scroll down, choose Accept. Cool. Now go back, click Google on the settings menu, then scroll down and choose Parental Controls. Click Get Started, Child or Teenager, choose Next. Choose Just Add Child's Google account. Enter email, your email, parent's email, parent account, and enter parent's password from parent's Google account. Click Next. Wait a while, scroll very down and confirm child's password. Cool. Now just click Agree and click Allow Supervision. Click Next. Scroll down. Here you can choose accounts or I don't know, applications to block on the child's phone. Then just click Next, More. Wait a while, scroll down, click Next, now click Skip, and go back to the home screen. Cool. Now just open Play Store on your device, on parent's device, and find here Family Link application. Open it, click Install. Choose Open. Go down, click Get Started, and cool. Now you will see here account you just add, click on it. Something went wrong, try again. Something unexpected happened. Oh, okay. So Fine, as you can see, now we have full control of the child's device from our parent's device. We can block his device, we can lock phone, we can unlock phone or give the child bonus time. We can block separate applications. For example, to do it, just scroll down, choose view all apps, and choose application to block. For example, I want to block Google News, for example. So find here news application, or Google Calendar, for example. So click on the sandwich icon and click block. Wait a while, and cool, as you can see, Google Calendar was successfully blocked and it's really working. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye. See you.